Today we are going to start Microsoft Word or we can say MS Word window from scratch. Right? Whenever you will open the Word window, you will see always this type of window, and here we are going to explore what different parts are called and what are the purpose and functions of different parts of this window. So first of all, we will see the top one. The top one, this is called the title bar. Right, in this title bar always you will see, when you will open first time your Word, you will see document 1 dash Word. It means this is the Word window and the name of the document is 1. Whatever name you will give to this document, it will come over here. First you have to save it, so I will show you how to save it, where to save it, and then the name will appear here. On the very far corner left side of this title bar, you can see three icons. These are called the quick access toolbar. This is save, this is undo and redo. By default, always you will see these three icons here. And why these are called quick access toolbar? Because we use these three icons again and again when we write any document or when we write any article or proposal or anything. You have to use these icons again and again. So how, first I will show you how to save it. This is the save button, this one. Another way is click on the file. When you will click on the file, you will see this view. This is called the backstage view. In backstage view, first of all, you have to click save as. So see, there is save and save as. So you should know what is the difference between save as and save. When you will save your document first time, always you have to click save as. Right, this is save as, and next time if you will write down on your document, instead of save as, you have to click on save. So this is our document number 1 and we are saving first time, so we have to click on save as. Another way is when you will click on this save, it will go in the backstage view with the save as icon, and then you have to click on browse. It means where you want to save your document. On your PC, on your documents, you can save your C drive, and these are the different USBs, D, F, G, F, where you want to save. I say in this case we are going to save on desktop, so just click on desktop and then save. Right, next time, suppose whatever you will write down in your document, suppose if I will write down this is our lesson 1. Now you do not have to go again and again to save as. There is no need to open this file and then save as. You have to click on save, but instead of this save, you can click on this save, which is available on the quick access toolbar. So just click save. If you suppose you think you do not want this sentence, so this is for the undo and this is for the redo. So this is called quick access toolbar. Because why it is called quick access toolbar? Because we use these three icons again and again in our document. If you want, you can bring more icons here. We will discuss in detail in the next lesson, but here I will show you. This is called the customize quick access toolbar button. Open this button and then you will see by default this is save is check mark, undo and redo. These are check mark. It means they are available here. If you want, suppose new, so you can click on new, a new will come up here, and then instead of going to open new from here, you can click it, a new Word page or document 2 will open for you. Okay, these are called the tabs. See, home tab, insert tab, design tab, layout tab. So these are called tab, and each tab has different functions. Suppose if I click on home tab, and you will see this is the bold, italic, underline. So these are the different functions of different tabs, and these functions, these are called ribbon. If I say go to the design tab, you have to click on the design tab, then you will see this kind of functions here. These are called the ribbon, and this is the functions, and the functions are divided into a small group. Click on the home tab and then we will see cut, copy, paste, format painter. It is called the clipboard group. You can see a line here as well. Then is the font group. From here to here is the font group, and in font group you can have bold, italic, underline, font size, and different other functions are here. Similarly, in paragraph as well, go to the layout and then you will see different groups as well, right? Besides the groups, you can see these small arrow is here. This is called the launcher. So open this, you can find some other functions as well. See, there are some more functions. If these functions are not available here, you can click on this launcher, but not all the group have these launchers. Only few groups have. We will discuss in detail in the next lessons all these functions and the launcher as well. So suppose if you have a touch screen system at your home. So first of all, you have to convert these functions or this ribbon in the touch mode. See, these two all icons are so close to each other. If you will touch with the help of your finger italic, maybe your finger will touch bold or underline. Similarly, if you want to touch here, maybe your finger will touch here and here. So it is better to convert it in the touch mode. So I will show you how to convert in the touch mode. You have to click on this customize quick access toolbar and then see here is the touch mouse mode button, this one, touch mouse mode. Click here, then you will see this sign come up here. Open this. So there are two functions, mouse or touch. So when I will click on touch, you will see now these functions or ribbons are far apart from each other. You can easily touch B, you can easily touch italic or underline with the help of your finger. So if you have a touch screen system at your home, you have to convert it to your touch screen. Again, if you want to convert it to the mouse, so mouse mode. Click here, this is the mouse mode. If you do not want this icon here, so open again this customize to quick access toolbar and you can see a check mark here. Just click here, is gone. If you do not want here this new, again open and click. Similarly, if you do not want these icons, just remove this check mark, then it will be disappear from here. So this is called the quick access toolbar. These are the tabs, these are the ribbons, this is the title bar here. And now come to the right side. This is called the ribbon display option. Now what does it mean? Open this ribbon display option. Now we have show tabs and commands. These are the tab and these are the commands, right? Sometimes it happens that if I click on auto hide ribbon, your ribbons and your tabs have gone. Please do not say that I do not have ribbon or I do not have functions or tabs in my computer. You have it. How you will bring back? Open this and then it will come back. This one, ribbon display option. And if I click sometimes it happens. If you are working on your computer, just click on show tabs. Only you can see tabs. Your all functions, all commands have gone. So another way is the right click here and then collapse the ribbon. It will come back. Right now on the bottom, this line is called the taskbar. In taskbar, you can see page 1 of 1. We are working on the first page, so it says 1 of 1. Then how many words? There are total 9 words, right? If you want, you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if you will write down a long document, it is impossible to count it. So you can see here how many words you have written. Sometimes the question comes, write down the essay of 250 words. So there is no need to count from here. You can see on the taskbar and here you will find out how many words you have written. And then is the English version. Here is the print layout. If you want, you can convert it to the read mode from here. Normally we are in the print layout. And this is the zoom in and zoom out. And zoom in and zoom out we will discuss in detail from the ruler as well. So this is the exploring the MS window. In this lesson you have learned the different parts of this window. This I will repeat for you. This is called the title bar, quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbons, launchers, and this is the ribbon display, minimize and close button. In the taskbar you have pages, you have number of words, print, layout, and the read mode, zoom in, zoom out. If you have any question regarding exploring the MS window, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy, and thank you so much.